Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet this adorable heart granny square. It's super easy to make, and I'll take you through each round nice and slowly so you can crochet along with me. Alright, let's get started. I'm using two colors of yarn, beige and red. This is a woven type of yarn, about 2.5 millimeters thick. It feels sturdy and firm, but not too stiff or too soft. I'm using a 4.0 millimeters crochet hook to match the yarn thickness, along with scissors and a sewing needle. Let's start with the red yarn. First, we're going to make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your pinky, pull it through your index finger, and wrap it twice around your middle finger. Insert your hook under the two loops. Grab the yarn from your index finger, pull it through, and make 2 chain. That's how I make my magic ring. Now we'll crochet inside the ring. So make 12 double crochets into the ring. When you're done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. That completes round 1 with a total of 12 double crochets. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and start round 2. The stitch where you just made the slip stitch will be the first stitch of round 2. So you can use a stitch marker to mark it. Skip this stitch and work into the next one. Make 8 trebles crochet all into the same stitch. To make a treble, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Again, repeat this 2 more times. Repeat that 7 more times, so you have 8 trebles in the same stitch. This will be the first rounded top of the heart. Once you've finished, gently adjust them a bit so they don't cover the next stitch. Then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then make 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. In the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet and 1 double crochet together. This will be the center of the heart shape, so you can already see that we've finished half of the heart. Now chain 1 to create the pointed tip at the bottom of the heart. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1/2 double crochet and 1 double crochet into the next same stitch. And 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Now you should have 2 stitches left here. In the next one, make 8 trebles in the same stitch. This part will create the second rounded side of the heart. Skip the last stitch, then slip stitch into the first stitch of the round where we place the stitch marker to close it. The first stitch is the one we skipped at the beginning of the round. It's right under this treble stitch, and you might need to adjust a bit to see it clearly. Now we have our heart shape with a total of 28 stitches. Cut the yarn and leave a short tail. Use your hook or a needle to bring the tail to the back of the heart. Tie a small knot to secure it and weave in the end. Next, we're going to turn this heart into a square by adding the third round. Switch to beige yarn for the border. Turn your heart shape upside down like this. Here's the chain 1 stitch at the pointed tip, and right next to it on the left is a double crochet stitch. That's where we'll start round 3. Make a slip knot and place it on your hook. Insert it into that double crochet stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's your first single crochet. Make 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Don't forget to bring the yarn tail along the back. It's a nice way to hide it neatly as you work. Then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, we'll form the first corner of the square, so we'll work 4 stitches into the same stitch. Start with 1 extended double crochet. Yarn over once, insert the hook, pull up a loop so you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Then yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1 extended double crochet. Then make 1 treble into the same stitch. Then chain 2 to form the corner and make 2 more trebles into that same stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 extended double crochet. Then 1 double crochet in the next. 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. And 2 single crochets into the next 2 stitches. Then 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. That's the first side of our square. For the second corner, make 4 stitches into the same stitch, 1 double crochets. 1 extended double crochet, chain 2 to create a space, then 1 extended double crochet, and 1 double crochet. For the third side of the square, make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. In the middle of the heart, make 1 extended double crochet into the next stitch. That's the stitch of the 8th treble from the previous round. Repeat on the other half of the heart, make 1 extended double crochet into the stitch of the first treble from round 2. You may need to separate the yarn a bit to see the stitch clearly. Then make 2 double crochets, one in each of the next 2 stitches. Now for the third corner, work 4 stitches into the same stitch again, 1 double crochets, 1 extended double crochet, chain 2, then 1 extended double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Then along the next side in each stitch we make 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, then another single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 extended double crochet. At the fourth corner, make 4 stitches into the same stitch again, 2 trebles, chain 2, then 1 treble and 1 extended double crochet. Then finish the last side of the square by working 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. This last single crochet should go right next to the chain 1 stitch from the previous round. So here I finished round 3. You should now have 10 stitches on each side of the square. Finish round 3 by slip stitching into the first single crochet at the beginning. Next, I'll make the square a bit larger by adding 1 more round, but you can adjust and add as many as you like depending on the size you want. Start round 4 at the point where we made the slip stitch. Then chain 2, this will count as your first double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet into each stitch along the side. Remember, this chain 2 is already counted as the first stitch, so start your next stitch in the following one. Continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the corner. At the corner, work into the chain 2 space. That's the gap created by the chain 2 between stitches. Make 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets, all in that same space. Then continue along the side with 1 double crochet in each stitch. You should have 10 stitches per side. At each corner, repeat the same 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. Then continue along the side with 1 double crochet in each stitch. Repeat this pattern for the remaining sides and corners. At the last side, once you've made 5 double crochets, continue with the last 5 to complete round 4. After this round, each side of the square should have 14 stitches. Cut the yarn and leave a long tail. I'll use it to make a fake V-stitch to connect the starting and ending points seamlessly. Insert your hook from the back through both loops of the first double crochet next to chain 2. And pull the yarn tail through. Then, turn the granny square over, insert the hook from below through the back loop of the last double crochet, and pull the yarn through. That creates a smooth fake V-stitch, making your finish look neat and continuous. Secure the yarn tail and weave it in using your needle. And that's it! Our heart granny square is complete. The finished square measures around 11 centimeters on each side, though it might vary depending on your yarn and hook size. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and make a lovely heart granny square for yourself. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.